Okay, so now we're on vertical addition subtraction booklet 9. Let's go ahead and start working on number 1 on page number 2. So it's going to be 1005 minus 677. So what we're going to do is I look at my ones column and I think, okay, 5 minus 7, that doesn't work. Now I can't ungroup from the tens or the hundreds place because there's both zeros there. So what I have to do is I have to ungroup from the thousands. So if I ungroup 1,000, that's the same thing as 10 hundreds. So I'm going to do 0 plus 10 and give me 10 hundreds there. Now that I have 10 hundreds, I can ungroup one of those and make that a 9. And then I now have 10 tens. It was 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now that I have tens, I can ungroup 110, make that a 9 up there, and add 10 ones. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. So now, instead of having 1,005, I have 0 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 15 ones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 15 minus 7, that's 8. I'm going to do 9 minus 7, that's 2. And 9 minus 6, that's 3. There's no thousands anymore, so my final answer is 328. On page 6 has the other way you can kind of do some of these types of problems, this kind of example. So again, we're going to work on number 1. So I see 3001 minus 716. Now I can't ungroup from my tens or hundreds spot again, but what we're going to do is instead of viewing it as each base value individually, I'm basically going to take 300 and make it say that's 300 tens. 300 tens is the same thing as 30 hundreds, which is the same thing as 3,000. It's the same thing. They're all equal to each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 300 and I'm going to ungroup one of those tens. So that's basically going to leave me with 299 tens, and I'm going to add 10 ones to the ones column. So 1 plus 10 will equal to 11. And now I can do my subtraction. I do 11 minus 6, that's equal to 5. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 2 minus nothing is still equal to 2. So my final answer is 2,285.